Hi, welcome to another Level 1 Algebra video, and we're going to look at rearranging formula. All the skills we've been doing in solving equations are going to help us solve these. Right, straight into example 1. We're going to make r the subject of the formula v equal to pi times r squared times h. When I say make r the subject, what that means is rearrange the formula, so instead of putting v equal to something, we're going to have r equal to something. And the strategy we're looking at is whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other. So let's get into it. First thing I'm going to do is just swap sides. So I'm going to put the pi r squared h on the left and the v on the right. I'm allowed to do that. Right, I'm going to divide the left and the right by pi h. Everything's been times together on the left. So I'm going to divide by pi h because pi divided by pi will cancel and h divided by h will cancel, leaving me r squared on the left, and on the right hand side I've got v divided by pi times h. Right, well the only other thing to do is to get rid of the r squared, and to undo a square we take the square root. So if we take the square root of both sides, that leaves us with r on the left and the square root of v divided by pi h on the right hand side. We're done. We've got r equal to something and we've made r the subject. All right, example 2. Let's make b the subject of the formula a equal to half times h times bracket big B plus small b. Remember, whatever we do to one side, we must do to the other. And I'm going to once again start with this cunning trick. I'm going to swap sides over. So I'm going to get half times h times bracket big B plus small b on the left and equal to a on the right. Now, see that half, or divide by 2. To get rid of a divide by 2, I'm going to times 2. So 2 times a half cancels to 1, leaving 1h and timesing it by the big B plus small b in brackets. And on the right-hand side, I'm going to have 2 times a. Right, my next move is to divide everything by h, which cancels the h on the left-hand side and leaves me with big B plus small b. And on the right-hand side, I've got 2a divided by h. And finally, since I want to make small b the subject, I'm going to get rid of the big B by minusing big B on both sides. So those will cancel on the left, leaving me with small b. And on the right-hand side, I'm going to have 2 times a divided by h minus big B. And I've made b the subject of the formula. Right, example 3, a little tricky one to finish with. We're going to make a the subject of the formula 2a equal to 6 minus ab. Now the problem with this one is we've got a's on both sides of the equal sign. Right, well, we're going to have to do a little trick here. First thing to do is to get all the a's on one side. So see that minus ab, we're going to plus ab on the right-hand side and plus ab on the left-hand side. The minus ab and plus ab will cancel, leaving us 6 on the right-hand side. And on the left-hand side, we've got 2a plus ab, which are unlike terms, and I can't add them. Now, we've still got 2a's plus ab on the left. So here's a little cunning trick. They both have a's in them. So we're going to factorize out the a, take a out the front of the brackets, and inside the brackets, we're going to be left with 2 plus b. Don't need to do anything with the right-hand side. Now, the next trick and the last trick is if I divide everything by 2 plus b. That means I can cancel the 2 plus b's on the left, leaving me just the a by itself. And on the right-hand side, I've got 6 divided by 2 plus b. And I've made a the subject of the formula. Great, thanks for watching.